Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy here with your yard service, and what you just saw, we are cleaning up the edges, the curb line, especially on those narrow walkways. So this will prevent runoff ice when conditions warm up, and then all this snow along the edges tends to flood the walkways, and then overnight it freezes up again. So we clean up those edges with a snowblower, as you can see here, left and right. And this will basically give us also room with the future snow when we have very light snow and we use only the backpack blower, because now we widen up those walkways and the snow has basically room to go left and right off from the walkway, rather than just kind of like swirling up the snow bank and then settling over on the walkway again. So this is one way we do snow and ice management for our clients in Spruce Grove and Edmonton. If you have any questions, give us a call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, youryardservice.com, and see you in the snow.